Okay. Can you tell us what's the name? The name and the surname? Teresa Phillips. Okay. And what you gonna do for us today? Okay. Whenever you're ready, no?
I've been to the doctor again. And they say there's nothing wrong with me. Nothing wrong with me. And I have aches and pains. And they forgot their medical book. They lost without that book. And
That's fine. Go on.
they say I've tropical fever. And they check my temperature and my rash. And everything is fine. No, I told you I was ill.
Thank you, Teresa.
Thank you so much.
You ask me something? Yes.
How long do you do acting?
Sorry?
Acting, how long do you do it?
I did it at Daniel Grady.
Sorry?
At Daniel Grady.
Oh,
And
so
about
you've done acting before.
Okay.
Okay, but how long are you doing it now? Since what age?
What?
Not sure what age.
Okay.
Since her 20s, she's been doing acting and going to the Daniel Grady Academy at Portland Indoor Center.
Okay.
nice,
Okay, that's very nice. Anything you know?
How old are you now?
38.
38. Okay.
I know you from somewhere. Do you know that? Didn't you go to Portland Primary School?
Yes, I did.
That's where I know you from. Keep on what you're doing.
Mm,
You will get far in life.
and all the best with everything you do.
Yes.
We hope to see you again. Thank you, eh?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for the opportunity.
No problem. Thank
Okay,
you.
love.